Okay, quick update on Bitcoin. 4-hour time frame. What will it take for me to be bullish on? I am bullish on Bitcoin, but what would that take for me to have confidence that we are going to be bullish? Because for me, all of this move is corrective to me, and it may have even started here as a WXY or ABC, whatever. Inside here, I'm counting WXY. For me, it starts right here. One sec. Starts right here. If we take that 0.618 from this 1, 2 to the 3 there, if we potentially, if we take that 618, I'm saying that's the low. And currently, I can count a diag in here. So potentially 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. If we do get that and we break the 618 and we come straight down, I would say that's a diag complete. Great. If we impulse out of here, then I'm gonna be like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So that's what I'm watching for. If we come up and we get this type of action and just avoid the 618 and start coming down, break some structure to the downside, one of two things. We're either going to go down there and create that 5th, that 5. Let me get on the index chart because that's my alternative count. Sorry about that. Right. This would be a 3. Even this could be the 3. And then we'd be looking for 5, yeah? It's either, this is what I think it is, yeah, but this is what it could be. We could be getting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the moment that 0.618 is hit, we could still come down, but it'd be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ending diagonal. Okay, but the probabilities will start to decrease. That if we take the 618, the probabilities of coming down and taking out this low start to decrease. It's 1 point for the bulls, basically. Another point for the bulls. Okay, I believe this is an ending diagonal right here. Okay, which strengthens my belief that we're bullish. Okay, that's why we've got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over here. Okay, I believe we just had an ending diagonal, making this 5. And all I need to see, and there's some accumulation here, all I need to see is that 618 taken. Not only would we take that 618, it will take us outside of the channel. This would be corrective, and then we come out of the channel, could mean the confirmation that we're reversing or retracing. So that kind of makes me want to see if that's a potential 1, 2, what would it look like here? Because in the channel, we want to see if we can get above here. So 3 is on the way. So we got 1, 2, we came up and we came out of the channel. So anybody, trading, using that channels and that, could have started taking shorts thinking this market was going to go down, because it really could have. It still might. I don't think it will though. It looks like we've got a nice accumulation here. Okay. We came out of the channel. You can look at it as a trend line as well, okay? At the trend line here, people was like, okay, we can buy the trend line. Comes there, and then people like, oh, came out the trend line, bang. Trend line buyers, breakout buyers, people playing breaker structure but not waiting for the candle to close. So many, I'm sure if I put on the EMAs, you can see we broke above the 50 EMA, all of the EMAs basically, impulsively. At one point, this was a big, thick green candle like this. Yeah, that's what that was. Then it pulled down. So that would have had a lot of people buying. Yeah, and that was during news yesterday. Right, we did that. We come back down and we took out those that would have bought this, putting their stop losses below the impulse. Took them out. Came up, came down, took out that wick as well. You can see basically accumulation, manipulation of the lows, break of structure to the upside. We are manipulating. After sending man up, we didn't go down. That would have been a great grab a liquidity, price go down. We grabbed liquidity. So it's either there wasn't sufficient liquidity there, might come back up and grab these highs and go down, or these highs and go down, or it wanted to induce buyers and take out the early buyers in this process, and manipulating, inducing people to take sells, and then they can run them out. That's what I believe has happened here. We've closed above the 50 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. We're above everything we need to be above on the TDI. And I believe we're gonna take the 618, take out this channel, reclaim this channel here, reclaim this channel, and continue higher, at least to these EMAs here. To at least see this area over here. Now we might take those highs, come down, then do it, whatever. But I think that's a good target for price. There's a supply zone right there. We've got the EMAs right here, just above the high daily range. And then we're accumulating. We're not gonna just, if we're that's why I don't think necessarily we're getting this leading diag. We could still be getting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, then something like this, 5, and then we'll come down correctively and then continue higher. That's an option. You got zigzag, 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 zigzag. This can be a zigzag and drop, okay? And this won't go high up if that's the case, because it can't be longer than the third wave. So it cannot touch 1-to-1, which is basically here at the high daily range. That's where our one is, right at the high daily range. If we touch the high daily range, it's not a diag. And that would mean we're probably in a 3 by then. So unless we're getting a bunch of 1-2s, we'll be in a 3 if we do that. And yeah, I don't know if it's the time for that. Where's the catalyst? There's news at 12:30 tomorrow. No, that's 13 hours. So yeah, at the end of the day, that's what the price is showing me. So maybe I'm just gonna look forward to price at least taking the 618, maybe taking this here liquidity and dropping for some kind of corrective wave, then come up. Either way, as price develops, we'll get more clues. We'll see more what's going on, and I will update you. So if I just go to the 1-hour time frame, you can see here we got potentially a beautiful W formation, broke above the 50 EMA, 13 crossed the 50 EMA, but we didn't take off. Okay, price is returning to these EMAs where we've got this OB, which we need to hold. Well, the low needs to hold more than anything, but ideally it doesn't make sense. I wouldn't want to see price get below this order block after taking out the EMAs. If we did that, it's not a good look. It's not a good look. So yeah, expecting price to continue higher, maybe from exactly where we are, maybe from a little bit lower. Now we've got price poking that 50 stack. It's just come outside of it. That's given me a bounce up vibe, because otherwise it comes down and we're crossing this properly. I'd expect a little bit more down. You see what the lower time frames are saying. Sharp fin on the 5 minute, 3 minutes outside below the volatility band. 1 minute was outside. Let's come back up. Okay, currently there might be a trade to the upside. It's either that or we're about to see price start chucking it down. I think, I don't like to call it like that, but I think we might just be, I want more of a range to form. Let me stop that. Yeah, I want more of a range to form. Okay, price could do one of these things, all right? It could actually do this, all right? Or it could, engage the 50 EMA, then go. Because the 50 EMA, the longer price is above the 50 EMA, the more it would retrace to it, catch up with it. So price, we could be having the EMA, price could be moving sideways, EMA catches up, we ping it or drop below it quickly, maybe tap the psychological high, and then go higher. Either way, for now, I'm looking for the buys. I do believe we're going to come, take out this high, take out the 618. So we'll be taking out this high and this high. Yeah. But either way, I'll probably be getting out after taking out this high, or at least taking some profits. And I'm going to wait to see what happens with the 618. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, put those notifications on, and I'll update, and you can get the updates. Peace.